Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your INFINIX Hot 12i. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here we'll need to start search for an app and enter Google Classroom. Now select this app and install it. After installation process is finished, you should be able to open this app. From here, click on Get Started. Select the account you want to use. Press on this plus button, join the class, enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after doing so, click on the Join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.